What is up, guys? It's me, Goble. Welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'm back at it again here on the Archon for the fourth video of the one block Skyblock series here on Skyblock Origins here on the Archon. And in today's video, we are going to be trying to fish as well as doing some other stuff such as setting up a grinder area potentially. So you guys will just have to see what goes on in the video. But yeah, make sure that you guys do come play the server with me. The IP is goble.archonhq.net. Also, if you guys do use code goble at checkout on shop.thearchon.net, you guys could get a free rank on any realm on the entire Archon network, and you could use it up to 2 times. So that's 2 free ranks on 2 realms of your choice, and all you guys have to do is use that code. Also, if you guys do consider subscribing, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could subscribe, as I am trying to hit 5K by the end of 2021. And also make sure you guys drop a like on today's video. Let's go for 60 likes. And anyways, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Comment your IGN down below, or no, not comment your IGN, but comment something down below. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the video. Peace. Alright guys, so if you guys right click the server selector, the realm selector, click Skyblock, and then click on the Origins realm, it takes you to the server that I'm actually playing on here on the Archon. And as you guys can see, this is where we left off in the previous video. If you guys do want to go see that, go look on my channel and you guys will see that. But basically, as you guys can see, this is what the island is looking like right now. And pretty much what I need to do right now is I need to make a grinder right here. And I need to go fishing in today's video. And then over here I'm going to make some farm stuff, and we're basically going to just do some upgrades to the island. But first what I want to do is I actually want to go to my PV1, and I want to get out my old rod and my basic bait. And I want to put this stuff in my PV2, and we're going to go try and fish in today's video some. So let's do such lakes. Let's go to the safe lake, and let's go fishing. So last video, we tried fishing for about 20 minutes and we couldn't catch anything. Maybe it'll change now, as it has been a bit since we recorded that video. So maybe we will get some better luck now, and we will see if we can catch any fish. I'm probably just going to catch about 5, maybe 10, depending on how long it takes. So yeah, it looks like it's actually going pretty fast. I have a legendary already. Wow, got a legendary. So basically all I'm gonna do is just try and catch maybe 5 or 10 in total, and then I'll bring you guys back depending on, you know, how long it takes and everything, and we'll go ahead and sell those. So yeah. Alright guys, so I did fish up 5 fish so far, and as you guys can see in chat, I just fished up 500 mob coins, so now I have 1,000. That's actually pretty good, but you guys can see right here, those are all the fish that I've caught so far. So I think I'm just going to dedicate today's video to fishing, just because I'm actually doing pretty good with fishing. And then in the next video, I'll just make a grinder and do some more upgrades to the island. So we're doing pretty good as far as fish goes right now. We are not really making the most money, just because we did actually buy some simple bait before, and I didn't know that that wasn't really that good. So yeah, this basic bait is really good for this. So pretty much we're just going to keep using all of this, and once we use all of that, we'll be a lot closer to being able to get the next rod. And I want to put a lot of time and effort towards fishing, because I normally do that, but I normally never actually get the next rod, which is something that I actually want to do, and maybe even get the 3rd rod. So that's going to be some of the things that we're going to aim for by the end of the series. So yeah, pretty much right now I'm just going to continue fishing, and I'll bring you guys back with an update once I fish up 8 more fish from right now, and I have 10 bait left. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I have 10 bait left. I have 1,500 mob coins and a ton of fish in my inventory. So I'm actually getting pretty close to finishing this 25 basic bait challenge, where basically I have to use 25 basic bait. I've used 15 so far, and I'm not sure what the other challenges are, but we'll figure it out pretty soon here. And we're actually going to get a decent amount of money from this, probably around 300k, which is pretty good. And I think I've spent 125 or 150k on pretty much just all of the bait, or maybe like 200k. So we've already made our money back just from this bait, so that's actually pretty cool. And yeah, so basically I'm just gonna keep catching fish, and I'll bring you guys back with another update pretty soon, because I do not have another update for you guys at the moment. Alright guys, so if you guys actually look, I have no more bait and almost an entire inventory of fish. So basically, if I can click. Alright, so we do have some fish to sell. Let's go over here to the fishmonger, and we're gonna go ahead and sell them. There we go. Alright, so catch herring, krill, sell fish. Okay. We need more bait. Alright, I'm saying we're buying 32 bait. Alright, there we go. We have 32 basic bait. Now we're gonna get back over here and we are going to fish some more. Fish trapper, yeah, that is basically how you make the fish traps, is what that is. So basically what I'm gonna do is just continue fishing and we will see how we do. Basically I'm just gonna continue and try and catch as much fish as possible, pretty much. And I'll bring you guys back with an update soon. Pretty much, this is kind of just me fishing and giving you guys updates on how much fish I've caught, which is kind of boring. So I think what I'm gonna do is probably after I catch about 5 more fish, or once I get this down to 25, I'm gonna go ahead and we could go over to the island and start working on it. Or you know what? Let's go ahead and do that now, actually. Let's go ahead to the island and go check this out. So, IS go. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to purchase some stone brick. We're going to buy 4 stacks, and we are basically just going to come right here, find the center, which is somewhere around there. Okay, it's like this block right here. Alright, there we go. So now basically what I'm gonna do is probably make it like this, and then I'll pretty much just make it so that everything will fall into this general area and it'll come from 2 sides. So let's see. Well, actually, first of all, let me look. So the first spawners we could buy are those, so really, we can't even do much right now. So, really, I guess we could make like a spawner area, but we would have to grind to be able to basically upgrade. So I don't know if we should do that yet, or even mess with that at all. So I'll bring you guys back in a minute. Alright guys, so I thought about it a little bit, and I think that basically what I'm gonna do is pretty much I'm going to create like a farm right here and then another one right here, but I need to figure out which kind it is. So let's see, farming, let's see, 35 for that, 60, 40, 30. This could be farmed in a farmable chest / mob shop. Let's check this out. Let's see, chunk hopper, we have farmable chest. Generates crops based on the amount of a specific crop you have inside of a chunk. Alright, so I think we need, let's see, 500 mob coins to buy a chunk hopper would probably be pretty good. So I think what I'm going to do is probably make a cactus farm and a sugarcane farm. That would be a good idea. I think I'm going to make a big cactus farm though. That would be a good idea to do. But the thing is, if we look right here, hoppers are pretty expensive. So I think what we need to do is save up right here and basically purchase a chunk hopper, which we have enough for. So yeah, I think that's what we're probably gonna do, but I do want to probably do some more stuff too. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and end off today's video here. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys drop a like. Let's go for 50 likes on today's video. Also make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I am going for 5K by the end of 2021, so make sure you guys do subscribe, as we are not even halfway there yet at the time of this video being up. Also guys, make sure that you guys do come play the server. goble.archonhq.net is the IP. It's been in the top center of your screen throughout the entire episode. Also, make sure you guys use code goble at checkout, shop.thearchon.net for a free tier 1 rank on any realm on the entire network, and it does actually have 2 uses as well. Anyways, guys, with all that being said, make sure that you guys also comment something nice down below, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Anyways, guys, see you guys later. Peace.